I've posted a few videos recently whose subject was the downsizing of my various collections. Last week I did a little bit of backsliding because I won 3 separate auctions on eBay. Nothing too expensive, and what I purchased is going to be used with future projects for this channel. I'm still feeling a small amount of guilt though, but I'm promising myself to continue selling, with the goal being to get rid of a lot more than I bring in. Someday, I would like to be able to look at what's on my layout and be able to recognize a story being told. That story will include a car dealership, because I'd like to show off my 1/43rd scale model cars. And with some new decals or possibly new paint, this truck will help tell that story. I'm not sure what to do with the backhoe though. This was brand new for $12, and shipping was another $8. Keeping the original packaging though is what takes up so much space, so that may have to go. I've always kept the original boxes. Maybe that's one thing that I should change. This is another 1/43rd scale model from NewRay. They offered this box truck with a variety of cabs, including that Peterbilt truck that I just showed you. The frames are the same too, and I actually like the cab of this model better than the orange one with the flatbed. So I'm going to swap them out when I take them apart later. The stickers with the horse and buggy will also be removed and replaced with decals that I'll make on my laptop. The stickers have been on here for about 14 years. So they're a little tough to remove, but the plastic underneath is undamaged, and a little Goo Gone will get rid of any leftover sticker residue. This was a heck of a deal, so I bought 2 of them, and at this price I thought that $11.99 for shipping was very reasonable. Both of them are brand new, and the seller has plenty of them listed right now. If you want a cheap and easy project, look for 1/43rd scale NewRay trucks on eBay. I haven't gone to any train shows this fall, and what you're seeing today are the only train or car/truck related items that I've bought in the last 2 months. With what I've sold myself on eBay, I'm keeping true to my goal, more going out and less coming in. With the purchase of these Boxcar shells, I've got 2 soon-to-be blank canvases ready to repaint and redecorate with new inkjet decals. The total for 2 of these at $4.99 each, plus $10 for shipping, is a bit higher than what I'd pay at a swap meet, but I know that had I gone to a train show, I would have come home with a lot more than what you're seeing now here in this video. You'll be seeing these items again soon, but they may look differently. So until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.